Top 10 mathematics tools for primary classrooms. Mathematical tools, often called manipulatives, are beneficial for kids because they provide a concrete way to interact with and understand abstract mathematical concepts, leading to deeper comprehension, increased engagement, and improved problem solving skills. Dice are valuable for kids because they provide a fun and engaging way to practice mathematics skills like counting, addition, and probability, while also promoting critical thinking, turn taking, and social interaction through game based learning and mathematical concepts more exciting. Unifix cubes. Unifix cubes are excellent for kids because they are a versatile manipulative that allows for hands-on learning of various math concepts like counting, patterning, number sense, place value, addition, subtraction, making learning engaging. Number lines. Number lines are vital for addition and subtraction to understand zero, numbers next to, far away, finding the middle, half, halving, double, ordering numbers greater than, lesser than concept can be taught using the number line. Polydrons. Polydrons is a great educational tool for kids because it encourages development in various areas like spatial awareness, problem solving, creativity, fine motor skills, and geometric understanding through hands-on construction, allowing them to build 3D shapes and structures while learning about different shapes and their connections, making it a valuable tool for early learning. Reckon is a valuable tool for kids to learn math concepts like counting, addition, and subtraction because it provides a visual, hands-on way to manipulate numbers, helping them to develop number sense by allowing them to see and physically represent the quantities, making it ideal for building foundational math skills, especially for early learners through concrete manipulation rather than rote memorization. It particularly supports the understanding of grouping numbers in fives and tens due to its bit arrangement. 10 frames. 10 frames can be used to represent numbers 1 to 10 or numbers 11 to 20. 10 frames are used for kids to visually represent numbers up to 10, helping them develop number sense in a great sense, understanding the concept of whole and part of it within a number, and easily practice addition and subtraction even for manipulating counters within the frame, making learning maths more concrete used for the fractions. Cards. One can teach numbers 1 to 100, counting maths or skip counting with these numbers. Flashcards. Play matching, ordering, grouping, and maths games. Watch your classroom come alive with these cards. Number grids. Number grids can help the children to learn to count, to recognize the numbers, and understand patterns. They can also help build place value concepts and mental math skills. Prime number, composite numbers can be taught with these grids. Pattern blocks. Pattern blocks help children to learn maths and geometry by developing spatial reasoning skills. They can also help children to learn to sort, to count, compare, and graph, shape recognition, spatial relationships, number patterns. The last is geoboards. Use of geoboards improve fine motor skills To use geoboard, a child needs to pull and manipulate elastic bands over the pegs using their fingers only, which helps to develop some very important fine motor skills. Thank you all for watching. I am Pratima. Thank you from core of my heart.